With InVideo AI, you can easily turn any idea into a publish-ready video with just one text prompt. And thanks to the new 3.0 engine, you can now create videos in amazing styles like Disney or cyberpunk, making your content stand out like never before. Plus, editing is super simple. For example, you can add captions in your preferred style and color with a quick text prompt. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. There's a link in the description where you can get started. InVideo AI has a free version allowing you to try basic features. And I believe advanced features like generative AI are priced fairly. Are you ready to create amazing videos? Let's dive in. When you log in to InVideo AI, you'll land on the home dashboard. Here you can start a new project or explore your recent ones. The left pane offers easy access to your media library, generative pics, and voice options, along with tools for various text-to-media features. This streamlined layout ensures everything you need for creating engaging content is just a click away. When you visit the generative pics section in InVideo AI, you'll find a variety of examples showcasing generative AI videos, along with their corresponding prompts. For instance, one example features a captivating 2-minute movie about a female warrior with a detailed prompt outlining her storyline, how she bravely fights a bear and eventually becomes a queen. Another example demonstrates how InVideo can craft stunning animated videos. In this case, the prompt specifies the animation style in detail and includes a brief yet engaging storyline. These examples highlight the incredible creative possibilities offered by InVideo's generative AI features. Exploring this section can provide valuable inspiration for your projects, helping you see how prompts can be crafted to produce unique and professional quality content. I highly recommend browsing through other examples in this section to spark new ideas and discover how to use prompts effectively in your own creations. To begin creating, head to the Create AI Video section. You'll find options to select different engines, including InVideo 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. For generative AI projects, choose the latest version, 3.0, for the best results. Once you've selected the engine, the next step is to craft your prompt. After selecting your engine, you'll notice several preset options below the chat box, including animated film. To generate animated AI content, choose the Create Animated Film option and follow the guided steps to bring your creation to life. After selecting Animated Film, you'll access an intuitive interface where you can easily customize your video, adjust the duration in minutes, add your desired topic, and input key details. Choose the type of media you'd like to include and explore a variety of styles such as Disney, cyberpunk, and more. The platform offers an extensive selection to match your creative vision. Additional customization options are available through the buttons below, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your animated film. When you fill the form like this, InVideo creates the prompt for the video with your inputs like this. But I want to show an alternative way to create your prompts for video creation. To create a custom video prompt, start by going to the Generative Pics section. Browse the example videos. Choose one that aligns with your style and copy its prompt. Then, paste this prompt into ChatGPT and ask it to create a similar prompt tailored to your idea. Be specific. Provide details like the topic and storyline. ChatGPT will take your input and craft a personalized prompt designed to match your vision. This method is not only efficient, but also ensures that your concept is clear and detailed. To create the video, copy your prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into InVideo's chat box, and click the Generate Video button. After a few seconds, InVideo AI will ask your preferences like media selection and audience. Make sure to select the generative media option at this stage to create generative AI videos. You can also choose the platform where the video will be used, allowing InVideo to adjust the format accordingly. In just a few minutes, your video featuring generative AI animations will be ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
Woof, I'm, Goldie. Yeah, that's me. the one with the wagging tail and the football at my paws. Oh boy, it's game day at the park. My favorite time of the week. Look at all my friends. Tails wagging, tongues lolling. We're ready to play.
To make quick adjustments or additions, use the edit prompt box below the video. For instance, to add subtitles, simply type a prompt like add subtitle and watch the changes apply seamlessly. As you can see, the video now features subtitles that were effortlessly added with a single prompt. InVideo saves you time at every step, including editing, so you can focus on creative things.
Goldie. Yeah, that's me. The one with the wagging tail and the football at my paws. Oh boy, it's game day at the park.
Now you're ready to use InVideo AI 3.0 to create amazing animated videos that stand out and grab attention. Whether you're crafting content for fun, business, or building your YouTube empire, this tool makes it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. But why stop here? Ready to level up your game? Check out my next video, where I unveil the hottest trending YouTube niches that are making waves right now. It's your ultimate guide to finding the perfect niche and kickstarting your YouTube journey with confidence.